It's so good to have these two. These two are the the entertainment. The back of the bus. The back of the bus. These two are. Because look at our view. Seriously. This is. What's the name of this camp? It's my tent. My bag. Which apparently is too heavy. And there's the mountain. And this is camp. How amazing is that? Yeah.
Whenever you're ready, I brought the cord over here.
You're the bestest. I'm coming now.